Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Today we're going to review the Cassidy, Dres, and Peplum from 5 out of 4 patterns. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Kim from Dorothy's Daughter. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to take your sewing to the next level, you're in the right place. Well, today I am going to do another pattern review. This one's been long in the coming. I've had it on the docket to do for quite a while, and other things just kept coming up, but I wanted to definitely talk about the Cassidy, Dres, and Peplum from 5 out of 4. This pattern is a basic. It is a staple that you need in your wardrobe. Very well done pattern, and I'm going to give you my scoop on it in my usual way. I like to go in categories so that you always know what to expect in my reviews. So if you have not joined our Facebook group yet, you should go ahead and go to that. The link is in the description, and the link to this pattern is also in the description. As some of you know, I pre-recorded this video because I'm in Mexico enjoying myself and hopefully behaving. Maybe not, no promises. But anyway, this is my favorite dress. As I'm leaving here home in just maybe about a half an hour. And as I'm leaving, this dress is the most exciting thing I'm taking with me. So if that tells you anything about this pattern, I'm very, very excited about this dress. There's something about it. I just love it. So as far as the details of this pattern, we'll start there. All right, so this pattern is a peplum or a dress. It has a gathered waist. It's a very basic gathered waist dress. You can do short or long. You can do a ruffle at the bottom of the hem. You can also do just the top with the peplum ruffle. The sleeve can have a ruffle as well if you want to do a sleeve or sleeveless. So it's a versatile pattern, lots of ways you can do it. It's kind of a boho. Really fits that bohemian theme that's real popular right now. This could be a summer staple or spring staple, even into fall. You could even add a long sleeve to it and wear it all year. But I think you're going to be seeing a lot of this kind of thing in the summertime this year because it's such easy dressing. So as far as the other details, it has either a crew neck or a scoop neck as well. It also has an FBA front included. So if you have a full bust, you're all set. You don't need to do an FBA. It's all done for you, which I love. I mean, I've done FBAs a million times, but honestly, it's just so nice when you have to do it. So I applaud them for that. That's a really big plus for me. As far as wearability, this is the most wearable thing. You could wear this to a wedding or you could wear this to lay around home. It's just as versatile as could be. Could be a nice business dress. You can make the short version and wear it to the office. It's wonderful at church. So many ways you could wear this dress. I don't know that there's anyone who wouldn't be comfortable in this dress. It's modest as well. I will say that too because there's a lot of things that aren't. So if you're sewing for a teenager who's crossed over into the Misses department, this would be a great option because it's very modest. And also there is a kids version of this pattern. So you can even get it in a bundle that has both the adult and the kids version. So you could even make a mommy and me for Mother's Day. You still have a little time. Anyway, as far as ease of construction, this is a great beginner project. It really is. It's other than gathers, it's simple, straightforward if you're comfortable with knits. So I would not shy away from this pattern. It might be a challenge if you've not worked with knits, but I think you'd really enjoy it. As far as sizing goes, it goes from extra, extra small to 5X, and that's the ladies. And there's kids up from, I think, 2T all the way up to the point where Mrs. takes over. So I think that this could be worn by anybody, pretty much. As far as extra materials, other than fabric and thread, there's nothing extra that you need. Once in a while when I do a knit pattern, I like to put a little twill tape or clear elastic in the shoulders. Other than that, there's nothing that you need. As far as the fabrics go, you want to do a knit in the bodice. Cotton lycra is a great choice. That's what I used. You could use just about any knit in the top. As far as the bottom goes, you can use a knit or a woven. You can use a woven for the bodice, which opens up a whole lot of possibilities. Now I used a ITY that had a border that I've had for a while. I knew I wanted to do something special with it, and I waited until I just found the right project, and I just love it. So yeah, you can have a lot of fun with fabrics. You could make this pattern look completely different by changing the length, changing the fabrics, doing a woven skirt on one and, you know, a knit one on the other. This could be your everyday dress that you just do a ton of ways. I mean, really, it's just that, it's that versatile. So in summary, this one's a keeper. Thank you so much, Jessica, from 5 out of 4 patterns. This pattern is a keeper. I plan to buy it in the girl sizes because I have granddaughters, and it's like the geranium dress for grown-ups. If you guys have heard me talk about the geranium dress made by Ray for babies and how I've made 1,000 of those, this is just like that for grown-ups. It's just the one that you just want to make over and over because it goes together quick. It looks nice. It looks nice on all sizes and all shapes. And the only change I did make to this pattern is that I did lower the bodice a little bit, the waistline. I do have a long torso. I'm a short person, but I have a long torso. So I did lengthen the bodice just a little bit. Other than that, it fit right out of the box. Great fit. And it's just a wonderful pattern. So thank you, Jessica, from 5 out of 4. And I hope that helps you decide whether or not this pattern would be for you. I hope you're having a great week. So I have a flight to catch, y'all. So I am going to say happy sewing and let you get back to your day. Happy sewing.